Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another tutorial. So recently I have been doing like quite a few pink looks on my channel, but they've been very bold and very in your face and very statement wise, and I just wanted to sit down today and still play around with pink but just create a look which is really soft and really sultry but still perfect for the autumn time. So this is the look I came up with and I'm really super happy the way it turned out. I just used the palette from Huda Beauty, the rose gold one, and honestly it's really easy to recreate. So if you want to see how I got this look, please keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to follow me on my Instagram page. But yeah, without further ado, let's get into the tutorial. Right, first of all I'm just going to take some concealer just to prime my lid. I'm just going to apply this with a Real Techniques little brush, and then I'm just going to blend that out using a small stippling brush, and then I'll just be setting that in place using the Tart clay palette. That is the only other palette that we're actually using today. I'm just using the lightest shade out of it, as I said, just to set my lid. Going into the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette, I'm going to pick up the shade Manita and use a large fluffy brush just to apply this. What I've been doing lately is applying all my shades before actually applying my transition shade, just because I feel like applying all the bold shades first and then applying my transition shade afterwards helps blend them out a lot more easier and just makes my eyeshadow look a lot more smoother. So I'm just going to apply this on the outer half of my lid, and then I'm also just going to take a clean fluffy brush and just blend out that shade just so it's nice and smooth. Then taking the shade Shy, I'm just going to go over the shade Man Eater just to add more depth and dimension there. Then I'm going to go in with the shade Bossy on a fluffy Sigma brush, and this is just going to be concentrated on the outer corner of our lid just to add a lot more depth and dimension there again. Then I'm going to go in with my transition shade. This is a lot lighter than my other shades, and then this shade is Flamingo, so I'm just going to lightly brush this backwards and forth on my lid and above them shades just so everything is blended out nice and smoothly. Then to finish off the rest of the lid, I'm going to go in with the shade Angelic. Now I do absolutely love these shimmer shades in this palette. This colour wasn't giving me the pop that I wanted, so I'm just going to blend that out so there's no harsh lines, and then once I've done that I'll be going in with the shade Fling. Now this is on more of a side of red tone, but trust me when I say it, when I put Angelic back over the top of this shade it gave it more of a pop, which you'll see now. I don't know what it is, but I just absolutely loved it and I'm absolutely glad I done that. So yeah, once I've done that I'll be blending that shade out once again and then removing the tape after applying my wing liner off camera, and then applying some number 7 black mascara. And then for lashes, I just use the Eylure lashes. I can't remember what style these are in, but I'll link it all down below for you. Then I'm just going to apply some eyeliner in my waterline. I can't remember the shade of this either. I know it's from Avon, but I can't remember where I put it and I can't remember the name. So I'll hunt it down and leave the shade in the description bar for you as well. Then taking the Urban Decay highlighter, I'm going to highlight my brow bone. And then I'm going to take the shade Bossy and Manita on my lower lash and just smoke it out. Yes, I've got a cold again, guys, and honestly, I don't know what's happening. I just seem to be catching a cold left, right and centre at the moment. So if I just seem a bit all over the place and my sentence seem mumbled up, you know why. So then I'm going to go in with the Tart Clay palette again for bronzer and contour. Now I absolutely love this palette, but honestly guys, you've got to be careful with these bronzers and contour shades in this palette. Let me tell you, they are really, really pigmented, and a little goes a long way with this palette. So if you have got this palette or you're thinking again, just make sure you don't put that much on your brush because they're very, very pigmented. Then for blush, I'm going to go in with Sigma blush in the shade Sweet Thing, and it's the Spotlight Powder one. I just absolutely love this. It's like a subtle pink and it's got like reflex of shimmer in it, so I really, really like it. So then I'm going to carve out my cheekbones with the Collection Sheer Loose Powder. Then highlight the rest of my face using the Urban Decay highlighter in the shade Sin. Then for lip gloss today, I'm going to go in with Sigma lip gloss in the shade Curtsy lip gloss, and I absolutely love this. But over the top of this, afterwards, I just went in with the number 7 High Shine in the shade Pink Latte. And yeah guys, this does the look. I really hope you enjoyed watching it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to follow me on my Instagram page. But I'll see you in my next tutorial, which hopefully will be a Halloween one, and I'm so excited. But yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!